to Livy's world. Today, me and my brother is going to do the unboxing of LG 32 liters charcoal microwave oven. But before saying the oven stuff, where is my brother? What just happened? I'm so sorry. Hello. Oh, there you are. I was actually scared when you came to me suddenly. Okay. I'm very much excited to see our new oven. Oven? Yeah.
Who got it?
Me and Papa.
Okay, nice.
Ta-da! So now let's open it!
First of all, it has a 32-liter capacity and a 230-volt 50Hz power. It's got a really nice charcoal lighting heater which gives crispiness on the outside while still maintaining the juiciness on the inside. It has certificated from the Healthy Heart and the Indian Roti Basket. This will make it good for the heart and safe for the family, and also we can make bread, roti and stuff like that with this microwave. It's MJEN326UH and was manufactured on September 2020. It's a black oven with a cool line design.
So let's go and open it. What are we waiting for? Yeah. Okay. So in here we got some free glasses for the microwave and bowl glass. Ooh, it looks really nice. Yep. Yeah, really good.
So now let's just keep this aside
Yeah.
and move on to the oven.
The main thing.
Yeah.
Wow, that was smooth. Okay. Ooh.
So first of all, we got some removable glass tray.
So, wait, we can remove it.
Yep, that makes it easier to clean too.
Yeah. So, let's keep this. So, what are these?
Yep. This here is the rolling pin for the glass.
Okay, so this has wheels in the sides. For
So
it to
when we
roll.
keep the glass on top of this, it will roll.
Spin. Oh, so here's the main oven.
And before going to that, we got some manuals.
Yeah. I think who needs some boring instructions for these?
The oven is a thing which should be handled with care. So first of all, we got here an owner's manual which shows the instructions and stuff.
Yeah, and also we have a small card,
Yeah,
right?
we have a quick reference guide manual.
So is this also a manual? Okay, this is a recipe manual.
Yep.
Okay.
And
A lot of recipes.
And other than that, we got 30 healthy, heart-friendly recipes.
And some taste of India's some
Recipes.
recipes. Yeah. Okay.
So now it's time for the oven.
Okay guys, so we took this oven out with our dad's help.
Looks so big and modern.
Yeah, black. And also I really like the line design in here.
Yep. It's got a lot of features in there.
Yeah, a lot.
So guys, this is the LG 32-liter charcoal conventional microwave oven. So here are the features. First of all, we have the charcoal lighting heater which I mentioned before itself. Then we got 30 heart-friendly recipes which you can find in the recipe book. Another one is that it's high on taste, low on waste because it has no oil. Then it's certified by the Indian Roti Basket, which lets us make Indian rotis easily at home, and we can also make ghee in just 12 minutes. Another thing is that it has a 10-year warranty along with it. Next up, let's go to the auto cook menu. So here are all the buttons of the auto cook menu. We can find it more detailed in the recipe manual, which has about 401 recipes. Here's the dial and there's the start stop button, and then we can select plus 30 seconds. Then this is the first lightweight technology microwave oven. So now let's open it.
So guys, this is a handle if you haven't noticed it. Okay.
There's more things inside.
Yeah, and it's connected by this thermocol.
Yep. Before going to this,
Yeah.
look how spacious it is, and it's made with stainless steel, so it's super easy to clean.
Wait, it's easy to clean?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Okay. So these are the accessories, extras.
Yep. So first of all, we got the low rack for grilling.
Also, these are for
Got
grilling?
high rack. Yep, we can just stack these on top of each other and grill twice the amount.
Yeah.
After that,
We
we got this.
Okay.
We got the rotisserie.
Rotisserie.
Yep, it's used for barbecues.
Okay. Have you noticed that this looks like a trident?
Yep.
So good. Okay, I'm just.
After that, we got this rotisserie handle. So like when the rotisserie is hot, we can't take it with our hands,
Yeah.
or we can't let the barbecue cool down. So we can just
What
take
is
it.
this?
It's a multi-cook tawa, basically a fried pan.
Fried pan?
Okay. It can
So,
be used
like a
for
plate?
it can be used for steaming also.
Okay.
So that's all the accessories.
So that's all the accessories, and we will meet you in the next video of ours by seeing the review of this oven.
See you all next time.
Bye.